Are you an estimator or bid manager? Today, tender departments, unfortunately, need to deal with changes during the tender phase. Imagine you have already completed 80% of your estimate work and now your customer notifies you about changes in the project scope. Your new bill of quantity includes changes such as new items or removed items. Changes in existing lines such as descriptions or quantities. Most work done today is done manually using Excel sheets and formulas, which takes time and causes mistakes. What you need to be able to do is first, understand what changes were made and where in the new bill of quantity version. Second, you need to continue the estimate from the same spot for the bill of quantity lines that didn't change. Third, you need to address the changes to the subcontractors with accuracy and no delays. Well, the good news is that technology solves all of that. With ConWize you can now work accurately and save time. ConWize enables to import the new version and with one click, compares the two versions. It presents a line-by-line comparison of the changes. It highlights the changes in the bill of quantity, in each row, and easily sends the updated bill of quantity to the subcontractors and suppliers. The subcontractor and suppliers will get the invite and will see the changes in the bill of quantity. Want to learn more? Register to our demo.